Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing the phone, enable unknown sources if sideloading, or use Play Store for user L and. Next, download a compact Windows image and a VNC client. Make sure you have at least 8 GB free. Install user L and or set up Termux with Prut distro. This provides the Linux environment needed. Once done, create a new session and choose an x86 emulation-friendly template. This first step puts the required layers on your device so you can run Windows in the next phase. You now configure emulation. Allocate 1 to 3 GB RAM and select CPU cores based on your device. Use a swap file if you have low memory. Convert or download a QCOW2 or raw Windows image and move it into the app-accessible directory. Then launch QEMU with appropriate flags, enable user networking, set display scaling to match your screen, and expose a VNC port. As you start the VM, monitor boot messages and adjust tiny parameters like CPU threads to keep performance stable. You finish by connecting a VNC client to localhost on the configured port and logging in. Choose lower quality if input lags. Once inside Windows, install any guest tools or drivers you can. This improves mouse capture and display performance. Optimize by reducing resolution, disabling unnecessary services, and using touch-friendly scaling. If the VM fails to boot or is sluggish, try increasing swap, lowering assigned RAM, or enabling VNC compression. These fixes usually resolve resource and network.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.